Hi everyone, welcome to Cooking with Intention. I'm Tracy and welcome to my kitchen. So today I'm going to do a Mediterranean style dinner. I'm going to do a Mediterranean turkey burger that has ground turkey, 2 tablespoons of oregano, a teaspoon each of salt and pepper and garlic powder, a 1/4 cup of Italian style breadcrumbs, a 1/2 cup of feta cheese, and an egg. We're going to mix all of that together and make our burgers. So it's going to get a little bit messy here. Okay, just gonna start making my patties. Okay, so now that my patties are ready to go onto the grill, I want to prepare my portobello mushrooms. You really have to soak them in olive oil before you even get started. So we're just going to drizzle quite a bit on there. And these are going to cook on the grill first. I'll saturate the bottom parts too. We're going to put that on the grill for about 15 minutes. And then we'll put the patties on as well as stuffing our portobello mushrooms, but I want to show you the sauté as well. While our portobello mushrooms are on the grill, I want to make sure that I sauté my center, my stuffings. So I have 2 full shallots diced. We'll sauté this for a bit. Okay, so now I'm going to add my garlic and my spinach because I want them to wilt a bit. Remember, this is the stuffing for the portobello mushrooms. I'm gonna add some pepper. Some salt. Not too much because my bacon has salt. Just toss in my bacon so I can combine it. So fragrant. Between the garlic and the bacon and the shallots, it smells amazing. Okay, I think it's ready to top. Okay, this is different. Haven't been outside cooking. I do it all the time, but not on video. Okay, so I just took these portobello mushrooms off. And you can see they're so nicely done. But now I want to top them with my topping that I just made. So the olive oil has really just cook them so nicely. Again, it's so fragrant, so yummy. Okay, so I'm gonna top it with a little bit of cheese. Grab my tongs. And get them back on the grill. Whoops. This one kind of lost its side. Now, if you've never used these mats, oh my gosh, they're amazing. See, I'm able to just already have my turkey burgers. I'm just gonna throw them right on there, carefully. So now I have my turkey burgers and I have my portobello mushrooms. Shut the grill, let it be on for 3 minutes, and come and check on my portobello or my turkey burgers. I just turned the burgers, a couple more minutes. I think we're ready to pull them off. Okay, so we just pulled everything off of the grill. We have our ground turkey burgers, we have our portobello mushrooms, and we have this beautiful Greek salad with our dressing, which is olive oil, red wine vinegar, some Dijon mustard, salt and pepper, some garlic, and we have this amazing, delicious, healthy meal. So, ground turkey burgers are extremely versatile. You can put them in a bun with mayonnaise, mustard, additional cheese if you want to. It has feta on it. But you can have it just as is. We can add a little avocado. You can crumble it up and add it to a salad. It's super versatile. I like mine on a sandwich thin as well. But today, I think this just looks amazing. I can't wait to dive in. So sometimes portobello mushrooms are a bit hearty too, so maybe split it and have a half a mushroom, an entire burger, and a little bit of salad, because it's amazing. Please like, subscribe, and share. And until next time, please be well.